Hi guys, welcome back to my live. So I only had 3 classes today. I mean, I had in theory I had 3 classes today. I went to the one in the morning, which was great. And then I had one like 20 minutes after. I went on the Zoom and my teacher was like, oh, there's no class today. And I was like, I was literally like that Pikachu meme. I think that's what it is. Anyways, so I'm very happy. Also, the other class I had today was also canceled. But I already had known that since yesterday. Or no, since Tuesday. So, but yeah. I only had 1 class today and I only have 1 class tomorrow. I just have a club meeting later today. I'm in this mental health club. It's called the Mental Health Support Squad, and I just love it so much. I'm a part of it, and it's just my favorite club ever that I've ever been a part of in my life. Today we're having a self-harm awareness like event, which I think is very important. As somebody who has struggled and has dealt with self-harm, you know, I think it's something that has a lot of stigma surrounding it, and a lot of, you know, people think they know what it means and why people do it. But it's not just, you know, one thing. It can be anything for anybody. It's just a very complex thing, and I just really don't like that people see it as one thing when it's way more than that, you know. But yeah, I'm really excited for that meeting later today. But I'm gonna show you the snow outside. It's great. It's snowing as we speak. I woke up and there was snow already, so it probably had snowed during the night. No, probably in the early morning. But yeah. Anyways, oh my god, the lighting. Oh, the lighting is so good right here. But yeah, so I just did my makeup actually. I haven't done my makeup in such a long time, because I just don't have time, man. But anyway, I'm gonna get some food. I might just make something here, prep something. I know I have yogurt, so I can eat some yogurt. But other than that, I can't really go anywhere. At least I don't want to go anywhere because it's snowing. I'll probably get something delivered, but I don't see any deliveries happening out there. There's like a robot delivery service, but like I think they've stopped that service for now because it's snowing. But yeah, that's the beginning of my day. Ooh. But I'm getting new subscribers and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. My views have obviously gone down because I haven't posted as much. I haven't posted as much as I did like January, early February, so my views are definitely like down, which I expected, but my subscriber count is going up, which is cool.